Yo, what is up guys? This is justjonmckin, and in this video I am unboxing a new pair of Airpod Pros. So it is 2021, going on March at the time of filming this video, and yeah, I bought me some Airpod Pros. So I just want to do an unboxing to see if these are actually still relevant of this year. So I had the original AirPods. I was hanging on to those for a long time, and it just came down to it that I had to get on to my next pair. I lost the piece finally after years of having them, and then they were also short on battery life, so they were actually dying very fast. So I just needed to get new AirPods. So I picked up AirPod Pros. They were on sale from Wish. I'll put the price up above, and yeah, let's get straight into it. These are the AirPod Pros. So I really love the packaging from Apple. It's honestly just a beautiful piece of technology. Like, oh my gosh, like how can you not like when Apple just like boxes something up? Like they could box up some food, and honestly I would say it's like the best food in the world, because you know Apple they just know how to package things nicely. So got that nice tight cover over the box, pretty nice. I'm just gonna discard of that. So yeah, these are the AirPod Pros right here. So we'll just get straight into it. It's a pretty, again, simple box. You know, it's front, side view. And we got the back. So yeah, came a long way. So I really like this design because they're kind of shorter than the actual other AirPods. Now I honestly don't prefer one over the other. I'm just, again, I'm liking them. Like they're just more convenient. They're smaller, they're shorter. So I don't mind them. So now it's for the dramatic effect of unboxing the Apple product, which I love the most. That dramatic surprise. But yeah, pretty standard Apple boxing, so we'll get rid of that. So yeah, everything is pretty standard. You go in here, you have your stickers. Actually, this is not your stickers. Your AirPod Pro manual. Yeah, it's like license agreements. AirPod Pro manual. I actually really like that. It doesn't smell like, oh yes it does. It smells like new paper. Yeah, so we got, you know, different ways to use the AirPod Pros. I think they're pretty self-explanatory. Maybe if you're new to, you know, the AirPod Pro or the AirPod Space, you may have to read that. But yeah, then let's do that again. Boom, we got the AirPods Pros sitting right there. I shouldn't have lifted it up like that. Yes, I did just drop them, but it's all good. So yeah, you just, it's pretty simple. Like there's not a lot in this box except the manual. And then yeah, we got this. So we just unwrap that. Oh, it has like a door. It's strapped, man. It's in there. So then you got, boom, the AirPods right there. They're looking good, ready to pair with my phone. I'm actually just compare it to my laptop for this example. And yeah, they're honestly looking amazing. Like, I love the design of the AirPod. Like, it's actually very sleek, very simple. Yeah, I actually really love them. And the thing that's different about these, obviously they have a shorter stem, but they also have the earbuds in here, which is supposed to help with it from falling out. There was a lot of complaints going into that. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. I really like it. It's like that shiny new effect. They're not scratchy like my old ones. We finally upgraded over a year later. So same magnetic, you know, little touch when you put them in. Am I putting in? Yeah, when you put them in. They're more confusing to put in. Hold up. Oh, they're supposed to, see, they go in differently from the AirPods, so it was confusing me a little bit. So they go in like there, magnetic. But yeah, I really love these. And the one thing I really do love about these AirPods is that they have noise cancellation, unlike the other ones. And I believe these are waterproof as well. So those are my biggest two takeaways on why I love the AirPod Pros. But there they go right there. They're an amazing piece of technology. I absolutely love them. Shout out to Apple for, again, coming through with this I really love it. So how they look in ear, just quick in ear test. Hello. Hello. And they also come with noise cancellation. And I don't know, obviously noise cancellation is not on right now, but man, maybe it's because of the buds. Like I can just make the whole room go quiet. So I have like different things going on. I think somebody was doing stuff down below, and yeah, I heard it before when I put them in. It just went silent. So man, if they sound like this without noise cancellation, I'm actually really looking forward to getting the noise cancellation feature working. So let's get into it. So yeah, that's the AirPod Pros. They're pretty slim, so they can slide into your pocket pretty fine. I'm actually a pretty big fan, I'm not gonna lie. I'm still getting confused on how to put these in. There we go. There we go. It is, I don't know, I feel like they're like a teensy bit heftier, but I could be wrong. But let's see what else is in the box. So if you go into the box, there's this little tab you're supposed to pull, and there is the buds right here. And these are just some more buds, whether you have small or large, I guess, I don't know, ear canals, if you call that. But basically you can just put these in, and yeah, you can just swap them out for your ear size. So we have that in there. Then we also have this cord. So the cord is just an adapter. This is a lightning to can't think of the name off the top of my head, but you know, that regular, you know, iOS jack that you're typically used to using. So you just put the regular thing in here, then you put your lightning into, again, your modern day like MacBook Pro or whatever, and yeah, it's gonna start charging. So pretty cool. I'm really loving that. I do want to highlight one thing. So that's everything that's in the box. They do have a bit of charge, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a listening test on them. But I do want to do an example of taking off one of the earbuds. So if I attempt to take off one of the earbuds, you do have that type of look right there. What I know, when they first launched, this is a proprietary piece by Apple, so you can't really buy, if you lose this, you can't really buy this from other places except Apple. But nowadays, who knows? It might be some out that you can actually, you know, just pop in there. So it's really cool. Can you listen without earbuds? So say you lost it, can I? You can. It's, that cushion or bud, it actually kept a lot of the sound out, but you just push them back in and they just instantly connect. So let's connect this to my laptop and do a quick listening test. So yeah, the way you connect is you just press this button on the back, and that will allow you to begin the pairing process to connect to a computer. So it's right there in the middle, so, or whatever device. So do note you can get these, it connected instantly. That's actually kind of scary. So they're connected, kind of low battery, charge at like 25% starting off. And yeah, let's plug them in. So they can work with Android as well. You just will lose out on some of the features, but yeah, let's just start listening. I believe noise cancellation is, oh, it's on. So I just turned noise cancellation off. Hello, hello. It sounds the same. So I'm turning it on. Done. I heard something shift when I did that, and it sounds a little bit more echoey. So I'm gonna turn off transparency. Hello. Oh, that's big time. Oh shoot. Yeah, it's pretty big. Like, it's pretty big. Like I would actually use these on the plane, big time. So I'm gonna turn transparency back on. So here we go. And yeah, let's go ahead and listen to some music. I actually really like this. It cancels out sound like crazy. So if you're in a busy place and you're trying to study, these work great. I don't know why this left one is like itching my ear a little bit, but yeah, let's listen to this. 13 hours till I land, have me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, slept through the flight, not for the night, crap down the block, nigga right there, pop, 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 pop. There's a lot of new tech that is dropping soon. Leave your comments down below what you guys want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye guys.